Welcome back to another opening of the 2024 Skybox Metal Universe Champions. I've opened quite a fair few of these boxes now, and I still have not hit that Nike Jumpman Jordan short print in either of the versions, whether it's a base or PMG. So here we go again. Let's see if we get anything better this time. Take a look. So yeah, just an update. These boxes go for roughly about $250 Aussie dollars if you bought it locally in Australia, which I have. It is slightly cheaper if you buy it on eBay, but with taxes and shipping and everything, it works out pretty much similar price, maybe slightly cheaper if you bought it off eBay. So I just bought it locally, so there's no fuss. Yeah, let's rip into these. I'll make it a short video, so we'll only go for the hits. We're not going to look at all the other cards. New discoveries. First pack. So the first part of the pack are usually the base cards. The back three cards are typically where you get the hit. Another Jordan. Nice. Okay. Z-Force. And a Tiger. We're looking for the numbered cards, or predominantly the Jordan Z-Force, the Jordan Nike Jumpman. That's the one that everyone's going for. There was a base version that sold for about $700 USD about a week ago, so that's about the going price right now in 2025. We're in May, so magnet, no numbered cards and no autos at the moment. Oh, it's a red PMG. Let's see. Annalie Waters out of 100. There we go. This is the Retro 97 PMG. You can see the Retro 97 PMG up the top. So the design's like the 97 version. There is the other Retro without the 97 version of the PMGs. Yeah, so these ones look quite nice, but would have been nice if it was a green one, which is out of 10. So our first numbered card. Usually you get 2 numbered cards in one box. Picking up the numbered cards, like the PMGs or others, aren't really that expensive on eBay. Could be anything to maybe $10, $20 a card, depending on what numbered cards you get. I am collecting all the PMGs, inserts, and numbered cards of this set, so I have been buying up quite a bit. And we hit an auto. Manual. This is not the numbered auto, this is just the normal auto. There are numbered ones. You can get a gold auto numbered out of 25. If you hit a subset auto, it could be numbered out of 10. Usually one auto per box. So, it's not guaranteed to get an auto per box. Typically I have got a few autos in one box, but you're not guaranteed to hit it every single time. So yeah, lucky to get another one. we are looking for the Jumpman Jordan. That's the only chase card I'm going for, really, at the moment. EX. I've got nearly the set. I wonder if these boxes get run under a CT scan or not, if everyone's chasing the same Jordan card. Let me know in the comments if you think, people run through boxes through CT scans or not. Or is it a myth? I've seen some services offering CT scans in America, so certainly is a business over there. Looking for coloured? No, nothing. This is the normal retro Metal Universe. The one over there, that's a 97. So there's a 97 version of the retros in this set as well. 2 packs to go, 4 packs. Haven't hit that Jordan, would be nice. The Nike Jumpman. Oh, it would be nice to even just get the base version, let alone the PNG version. Guess we'll have to buy more packs if we don't hit it. So, let's see. Last 2 packs. We should be able to get another numbered card. Let's see. Like I said, usually there's 2 per box, but I never know. There we go. I've got a blue PMG, but it's not the Jordan we're after. This is PMG out of 50. It's out of 50. If you want to see a video of what type of PMGs and numbered cards you get in this set, let me know in the comments and I can do a video of, the chase cards, apart from the Jordan Nike. But we've got the 2 numbered and auto, which is quite standard in a box. So you pay about, like I said, $250 Aussie dollars. And you're probably going to get like a $20, $30 back. But that Jordan is a pretty expensive card to buy, so I guess that's what we're all looking for. Well, that's basically it. A blue and a red PMG and an auto for this set. Let's try again next time. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.